Today I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps and requirements you guys need to make badass, amazing thumbnails like you're seeing on screen to make yourselves more money online. If you're looking at this game here, it has 46,000 players and it's made over $14,000 just today. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps you guys need to replicate to achieve the same success at the palm of your fingertips. But really quickly though, I need you guys to listen up and hear this, because everybody who joins my Discord in the link in the description for the next 24 hours gets a free pre-made successful map that they can literally just post at the palm of their fingertips and make thousands of dollars a month. And really quickly, I just want to thank all 228 of my Fort Mafia premium members who are making tens and thousands of dollars inside of the Fort Mafia premium program, making money online with their Fortnite map. If you don't know, Fort Mafia is an educational platform with all of the verse code, tutorials, guides, courses, map templates, you name it, to get yourself started making money online, making Fortnite maps. We have 228 people who have purchased Fort Mafia in the link in the description. It's seriously the one-stop shop you can ask for when you're trying to get started making maps. And that is in the link in the description. Thank you all so much for listening. Now, let's make you guys rich by making sexy ass, beautiful thumbnails. Let's get right into it. Okay, so where do I begin? Well, this is exactly where you guys need to get started. Okay, so we're going to go over this Google Doc, which I've carefully crafted and made myself, which pretty much goes over the exact necessary principles you guys need to follow along when you guys are making your thumbnails to allow you guys to have more success when you guys are making maps. This will be completely run unedited. So if I stutter or if I laugh, if I pause, bear with me. But this is what you guys need to be downloading and getting, okay? This is in the link in the description, but this is the software that I want you guys to use. It is called Photopea. You guys can literally search it up for free. Photpae. I don't know why it says logo there. We can delete, backspace that. There we go. But this is exactly what you guys need to be downloading when you guys are trying to make your maps. These are how the professionals, if we go into Fortnite GG, this is exactly what they're doing to make professional thumbnails. And it's evident because when you actually download the photo, it links back and traces back to Photopea. Like this thumbnail here that has 36,000 players and it's already made $15,000 just today. But how did he create this? How did he create a garbage thumbnail like that? You think you'd have to have like crazy thumbnails when you guys are making your maps, but that is seriously just simply not the case, which is kind of baffling because this Google Doc proves otherwise, okay? So when you guys are making your thumbnails, you guys want to be knowing your target and goal, okay? Communicate what the map idea is. Example, horror, parkour, gun game. If we're looking here, right? We just take a little brief look here. We search up horror. There's a whole bunch of horror thumbnails, okay? So based off of the genre of maps that you guys are going for, you're going to have a stylistic choice that fits that genre of the maps that you're trying to make, if that makes any sense. So if we go back to this Google Doc here, you have to have it also look professional. But how do we do that? What software? What tools can I use? Well, obviously you can use Verseify, which is in the link in the description, which will literally do all of the code for you. But you can actually literally just use Microsoft Bing AI. Obviously, we know ChatGPT is pretty good now. I just call it Yap GPT or Yap, whatever the hell. Okay? Microsoft Bing AI is super good. This is something that you guys can definitely look out for on your radar and use effectively when you guys are making your maps. Okay? I'll show you guys exactly how it works. So pretty much we'll log in here and you pretty much just describe whatever you want to make and it's going to prompt it and create it for you. Okay? Okay, so we just generated a photo with it. The reason why I didn't show it is because I don't want to sign into my credentials. Obviously, I could have just cut the screen, whatever, right? But I opened up a new monitor on my computer and pretty much I logged in and I created the prompt. All right? So this essentially is what you guys need to do to make your thumbnails. This is exactly what you guys need to be doing. Let me show you guys the exact steps you need to take though, okay? Like how can you replicate this, right? Because with Photopea, they have a little bit of weird guidelines when you guys are making your thumbnails. Because if you guys come over to this article that I made myself, right? You guys can get this by joining the Discord in the link in the description. You guys already know that. But here we go. Visual composition. Sorry if I'm making you guys laugh too. I know I know I'm a funny guy, all right? I'm going to get into acting. I'm doing great, right? Visual composition essentials, okay? Focus and clarity. Watch this, guys. Let me show you guys exactly how you can make the thumbnails 10 billion times better. Watch this. Adjustments, shadows and highlights. Bam. Now it's so much brighter. Now it's so much more colorful. Now it's so much more vibrant, attractive. It's so much more engaging. Okay, look. In contrast and color. That's exactly what we literally just did. But how do we replicate this though? Like how do we copy what we're looking at? You know, there's only 50,000 people making maps. We got this game here, which is garbage. No, I don't even know why people even play this. It's literally not the greatest map. I promise you, it's not that really good. Okay, it's made on 1.0. It's a little bit better now, whatever, right? But It's made $10 million, guys, right? But the thumbnail isn't that good. You don't have to have crazy thumbnails when you guys are making your maps, which I know a lot of people believe that you do, right? But you don't. You really, really don't. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve the same success that you are seeing on screen. Let's get right into it. Okay, so if we head on back into Phototopia, literally all we have to do is go to this section over here. It's like a little patch tool. And we can press Content Aware. And we can press Magic Replace, right? So what we can actually do is circle the whole thing and write a specific prompt that we want it to generate, right? So let's just change this whole alien guy over here and let's make it a Geometry Dash Pixel Gun 3D Minecraft Let's Play Asian Doll. Whatever, let's do it. Pixel Gun 3D Minecraft Skibbity Toilet Asian Doll. There we go, right? And all we have to do is press replace, but of course we have to watch some ads while we're doing that, so whatever, we had to watch a 5-second ad, whatever. All of you guys, I always know you guys ask me to get ad blockers on my content, right? Oh, looks like we gotta watch another one. Obviously, this is what happens, right? Because the company needs advertisements, they need dollars, they get paid off of impressions. They need you to watch these advertisements so they get paid. So the companies feel compensated to pay out the person who's marketing their advertisements to give them money, right? So here we go. We back out of here. There we go, right? We have a Minecraft Pixel Gun 3D Asian Doll thumbnail, right? And this is actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I was kind of just trolling, but this is actually kind of good, right? Like, the sky's good, the blocks is good. Obviously, it's a little stretched out over here. Oh, that's what she said. That's crazy, right? But like, if we go over here, right, and we see Chico, what does it even say? The hell? I don't even know what that says, okay? AI does mess up the text when it's trying to make thumbnails, okay? So we're gonna generate it again and ask it for a more specific prompt, all right? Let's ask it for Skylanders. This was something that I really enjoyed to do when I was younger. Let's ask it to generate another prompt. Nobody needs to pay for the Phototopia $5 a month program. Nobody needs that. What you guys need is Fort Mafia Premium, where I will one-on-one personal mentor you and coach you and give you all of the specific details that you need personally to succeed on your map making journey when you guys are actually making maps. I know this video may seem kind of overly enthusiastic with like the personality and whatever, right? But like, I've just had enough, man. This community on Twitter is super weird. Everyone's just screaming and crying at each other. It's super lame. I don't like it. And someone needs to be the voice of the community, and that's the Big D, the Big Davy, here to voice the community, the problems and concerns that people have inside of the map making space. I'm here to do that for you guys, okay? Alrighty. So if we look here, we now have Skylanders, Lego toys. This is pretty good, all right? You can make like a bobblehead Lego Ninjago game with this, right? We got Jay, we got Lloyd Garmadon, we got Kai. All of the elemental powers is what we need in here, and that's exactly what we have, all right? It's awesome. It's really cool. So what the Skibbity Toilet, Olivia Dunn, Ohio. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's been your boy Davey Davis. Click the last video on the screen. Businesses and sponsorships, reach out down below. And of course, guys, make sure to grab yourselves the free pre-made successful maps to make yourselves thousands of dollars a month in the Discord with the link in the description. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Peace.